CPA Career Path channel. I'm Rosie, and in this video, I'm sharing with you 5 skills that you should have for the busy season in public accounting. This video is made for people who are new to public accounting. You could be a student who are going to graduate, or just a recent graduated students, or people who just changed their career path. Before we start, in this video when I mention about managers, it means people who are giving you assignments. These people could be experienced staff, seniors, managers, senior managers, partners. So let's start. Number 1, take note. It's very important for you to take note when managers give you assignment. Why? Because first, it shows that you pay attention to the assignment. Second, in public accounting, you are doing a lot of assignments at the same time. And so by taking note, it helps you know, oh, what am I supposed to do for this assignment? Oh, what am I supposed to do for the other assignment? So by jumping back and forth, you're not going to be confused among all different tasks. Third, that in public accounting, a lot of time when you work on assignment, you are not able to finish the assignment in one sit. Why? Because you may have open items. Maybe you have questions to managers that the retained earnings are not tied. So you have to stop and then to work on other assignments. So when you receive the answers, you go back to work on that assignment. So you can always look at your note and see that, oh, okay, this is what I left off last time. So now I can just continue to finish the rest. However, if you come to me and you tell me that, wow, Rosie, I am smart and I remember everything. So I don't need to take note at all. It's just wasting time. Oh, well, okay. Good luck. Second, repeat the assignment. It may sound weird that, well, now I'm repeating the assignments that they just tell me, but it's very helpful because what you listen or what you hear is sometimes very different from what you understand. By repeating the assignment, it helps you first understand the assignment correctly. Second, make sure that you note down all the information you need. Hi Amy, how are you? Could you please help me finish this individual tax return by March 10th because the client is traveling outside of the country on March 25th to the end of the year. Thank you. Got it, Rosie. So you want me to finish a 11/20 tax return by March 30? Third, ask questions. This time, because you are new to public accounting, it is a perfect time for you to ask any questions you want. Any questions. Because people have the mindset that, oh, Rosie she's new to the accounting, so that makes sense for her to ask this question and this question. Because you don't want to wait until the second, third, or fourth year later when you move up in your career and then you ask the questions that you're supposed to ask when you at the first year staff. So it's really important to ask questions. We can learn from reading the book, we can learn from reviewing prior year work paper, but you can also learn a lot by asking questions. And the third reason you should ask questions is that to avoid blowing up the budget. Because a lot of items, it may take you 20 to 30 minutes to finish the item. But if you just go to the next cubicle, ask the person who works at the firm a longer period than you, it may take only 2 or 3 minutes for that person to explain to you on the items that you spend 20 to 30 minutes on it. It's said that there are no dumb questions. But I'm telling you, it's dumb when you ask the same question multiple times. It will be so frustrating for managers to just keep repeating the answers over and over and over. Also, by taking note, repeating the task help you avoid asking the questions multiple times. Fourth, follow up. Oh my gosh, please follow up if you have any open items. During busy season, everyone is busy, especially managers. They have a lot of things on their plate. So when you email them or send them open items, in the first time, they might not be able to follow up with the client right away because they have many other things to work on. And you as a new staff, you may not have a lot of things on your plate. So it's easier for you to keep track of open items. So if you haven't heard anything from managers in 2 or 3 days, just follow up. Keep following up until you receive open items. If you send an email about open items and managers say, oh, the client will give us in about 5 days. So don't need to follow 2 or 3 days if they already give you the deadline for 5 days. But in the 6th day, you still haven't received any open items, and then you follow up. It's just so frustrating to me during the last busy season when I review a tax return. And then this return had open items, and this return was done a week ago. So if the staff follow up with the managers about open items, and then it will be so much easier to get the items from client. But for 2 days, you have to chase the client to get the open items, and it was stressful enough when it's busy season, and now you have to get another stressful layer on the top of it because you have to get the open items. So please follow up. It's very important. The 5th skill that is very important as well, it is do self-review. When you finish a tax return or you finish an assignment, make sure you do a self-review to minimize the small mistake and also to provide a high work quality. Why? Because a lot of time when you do self-review, you can capture the mistakes that you should not have instead of letting managers review the tax return, and then capture those mistakes that you, the one who should be able to capture it. Because you are new, you want to learn so much, you're so excited about this public accounting industry. It is an opportunity for you to learn about it, to provide good work quality. Because if you tell me, well, Rosie, why do I need to review it when I'm going to give it to managers and they will review it anyway? I save the time to just let them review it. I think that's good. Okay. And so in that case, the managers will look at this and give you, instead of 10 review notes, the managers have to give you 20 review notes. And so next time, when managers going to give you assignments, what the managers will think about, oh, last time I reviewed the work for this staff, I have to provide so many review notes, and I don't think I want to give this assignment to the same staff. And so you may think, well, that's good because I do not need to do a lot of work. If they don't give me a lot of assignments, I can just sit around and enjoy my time and then just check my phone. Don't need to worry about getting the job done, and they still pay me for the hours I'm at work. But then when annual review comes up and then the review is not very good and the company needs to lay off, you will be the first person they think about, and then you may have to walk out the door anytime soon. So if you have that attitude, that's not very good. So make sure you check your work before you submit. It's very important. So I just mentioned with you 5 main skills that you should have for public accounting. Comment below if there are any skills that you like or you have any experience about those skills. If you like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe it, and share it. Thank you. Good luck to the busy season. Bye.